control black money. 6% if it is going to control also. But in the bargain, sir, it's like the Prime Minister clearing a pond to kill the crocodiles, forgetting that the crocodiles can survive on land also. The big crocodiles have survived with the small fish that have died. The small fish that are dying now. The crocodiles are all surviving. So black money, and then today what did you see in the newspapers? The State Bank of India has waived 7,000 crores of NPAs from their non-performing assets or the loans that are not being returned. In this house, the Honorable Minister what does that mean?
That means, because I was bank, so let me tell you, जो NPA है वो ड्यू ही रहता है, लेकिन फॉर पॉस्टेरिटी जो ये करना है, बैलेंस शीट क्लीन करना होता है, तो वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं. अगर नहीं आया तो के लिए प्रोविजन है, लेकिन वो वसूलना ही है, और वो वसूलने की जिम्मेवारी कम नहीं है, किसी को माफ नहीं होता है.
यार आप ही ने तो कहा मंत्री महोदय, मतलब मैं आप व्यक्तिगत रूप से नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मतलब कलेक्टिव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. यहीं पर एक पार्लियामेंट के प्रश्न के उत्तर में आपने कहा कि 2014 और 2015 में 1,12,078 करोड़ रुपए की राइट ऑफ हो गया एनपीएस की.
Mafi. It doesn't mean that the loan ceases to be a loan.
So
you
what does
still
it mean?
pursue the loan. The entry in the books changes. That is, from being a performing asset, it becomes a non-performing asset. A performing asset is one where interest is being serviced, non-performing where interest is not being serviced, but you will still continue to preserve it. So there is a little bit of a malapropism involved in this. Don't go by the literal meaning of write-off doesn't mean rin maafi in banking terms.
So you're not...
The loan still remains. The loan still remains. You still continue to pursue it.
तो सर यही हम कह रहे हैं, अगर ये सब इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स जो समझाया, yeah, accounting system, but in effect,
but you still continue to pursue to recover the loan.
Yeah, in effect, sir,
Liability of borrower doesn't.
sir,